Forget the rumors, Samsung unveils the 5G Exynos 2200 with an AMD graphics. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Hey guys, in recent report, Samsung own statement hinted that the Exynos 2200 processor won't be shown this month, but it appears that the firm only needed an extra week to get everything in order. The Exynos 2200 was supposed to be unveiling on January 11, but Samsung is revealing all the detail about its newer mobile processor today. Yes, the Exynos 2200 is now finally gone official from an AMD GPU with a PC-like graphic features like hardware accelerating ray tracing to the latest ARM-based CPU cores. The Exynos 2200 sports a slew of exciting new features. The chipset is already in a full production, indicating that it would be utilized in the forthcoming Galaxy S22 series. Well, the Exynos 2200 CPU was created using the Samsung newest semiconductor manufacturing technique on 4nm EUV. It's coming with a 1 Cortex X2 core, 3 Cortex A710 cores and a 4 Cortex A510 cores make up the chipset tri-cluster octa-core CPU. This new Exynos 2200 will be coming with a new GPU inside, and it will be based on RDNA2. The AMD RDNA2 based Eclipse 920 GPU is a hybrid GPU that sits between mobile devices and gaming consoles. According to AMD, the GPU can drive 4K screens at 120 frames per second and a QHD Plus display at 144. It has hardware-based ray tracing as well as VRS verbal red shading. For those who don't know about VRS, well, it's allow game creator to reduce shading rates in the position of frame with the favorite changes resulting in decreased power usage. A Mango Advanced Multi-IP Governor is also included in the chipset for improved power efficiency. Samsung appears to be working on something unique for the Exynos 2200, and that's probably is going to be coming inside. Moving on, also in the news, the Galaxy S22 series will be getting a brand new protection level. The all-new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus is here. With this new Gorilla Glass technology, the S22 series will be the most durable Galaxy phone ever. It will be applied to all Galaxy S22 models on both front and the back. Also, Galaxy S22 Ultra could offer 1 TB of storage in some markets. And this makes absolutely sense because the new 12-bit HDR video as well as super resolution photos mode, but again it will be specific to certain markets. Now, last but not the least, we have some official Samsung made renders of the Galaxy S22 Plus, and this confirms the already seen design as well as some specs. So probably we are also going to see the 750 nits of brightness in the S22 Plus, and also we are going to see 45 watt of charging support for the S22 Plus. It's also going to be rocked the 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN5 sensor, and most importantly the screen size is indeed 6.5 inches instead of 6.7 inch like the last time. In my opinion, it's much more of a balanced choice for screen size for the people who don't want the Ultra model. So guys, that's all the latest news. The Exynos 2200 is one of the best processor, and most of the markets are waiting for that because it's coming with a powerful GPU inside. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching. Peace.